Hello! Today's video invites you to take a look at the heavy-duty 700mm wide belt sanding system that we installed for a client specializing in outdoor furniture products. All the machines in this setup belong to our CMAC brand. This system allows for the efficient and time-saving sanding of two surfaces, top and bottom, of the workpiece. Each machine is interconnected via automatic transfer conveyors. The special aspect of this sanding system is not just the optimization of labor, but rather the creation of new job opportunities for the local community here. Carrying the spirit of our company, we deliver a system that offers multifaceted optimization for our clients. This is a profoundly meaningful project that we have had the pleasure of executing. Follow our channel to see more video clips from QUOC Woodworking machine.